Hi, I'm Lou, another episode of My Car Story. I'm here with George. George, what's your last name?
George Lyons.
George Lyons, and we're here at Indianapolis Motor Speedway. If you've never come and you're a car person, you gotta come on out.
Absolutely.
And it's Vintage Indy Racing Day, and you have a Vintage Indy Racing car.
Yes, I'm pretty captivated by the vintage Indy stuff. Absolutely.
Let me grab the cameras. I usually do. George, thanks, Bill. George, tell us what you brought here today.
Today I have the Mickey Thompson 1962-1963 Indianapolis race car that was actually Mickey's first Indy car.
Wow.
When he came here in '62 with Dan Gurney to drive it in his rookie year.
Wow.
It came back in '63, its second year, now powered by a Chevy. It had a Buick in it when Gurney drove it. It came back in '63 with Bill Cheeseburg. After that, it went back to Mickey's shop in California, where it went into long-term, 50-plus years of storage without being touched. It was retained by the Thompson family until I bought the car last year, totally untouched, original. I have refurbished the car mechanically to be able to have it on the track, but I've preserved all of the original cosmetics.
So it's original. Stay right next to me. Let's take a look at it. Come on back. And here it is, Mickey Thompson, really known for more of drag racing and you know, other sports rather than Indy, but he took a crack at it.
Mickey was always an innovator, and he had great success with Bonneville racing, land speed record, drag racing, off-road racing. But he really was frustrated coming to Indy for a total of 7 years with different cars and trying to conquer the Speedway. He had some success, but he was frustrated that he never really got it done all the way.
You can see that the gas tank's over on the far side, which is where the wall is not.
That's right. So it's also where you want the weight on a car that only makes left-hand turns.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So we're gonna, you know what, let's take a look on the other side, just because the sun's beaming on it. And each side's unique. We've got venting on this side, so we're gonna see the whole overall car. But out of all the cars in the world, George, how did you decide that this had to be one of your cars?
Well, along with appreciating vintage Indianapolis cars, I really love survivor, unrestored original pieces of history, and old race cars that haven't been destroyed or modified or changed around are very hard to find. So when I found out this car was available from a noted builder like Mickey Thompson, it was a hard car to walk away from.
Really, really cool car. We're gonna take a look with the top on the back of the car, and then we're gonna actually pull it off so people can see the engine.
We can easily lift it off.
Preset the bolts up. Great suspension on this car too, yes? Let's take the top off. Tell me a little bit about this engine.
It's a Mickey Thompson built all aluminum small block Chevy, 254 cubic inches. It's a complete aluminum motor including heads. It has a Mickey Thompson designed unique injection manifold that has all Hillborn injection guts, but the manifolds were built by Mickey for specific use and really never sold otherwise.
I want to just feature your little block right there. So here's the history of this car.
Get the hell out of here.
George, we're going to stand right next to your car. Let's put the trunk back on.